Assalamualaikum friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Osama. Dear fans, as you know, I always come available project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining website, platforms and an investment platform. Dear fans, today I want to show you a very amazing and very valuable cryptocurrency investment project that can help you make a passive income. So don't skip any part of this video, stay tuned and learn how to make passive income. So first of all, I would request you, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification of all upcoming videos. So let's start the review now. Dear friend, this is the project called Metogence. It is an amazing and AI and robotic solution that are wise to choose. You can get in touch with us immediately and discover more about our vast service and domains to help you get better equipped with AI. So dear friends, you can also read more about here and you can also contact them to get latest news, and here we can learn about this amazing project. The question is that what is Metogence? Metogence is an artificial intelligence company that is committed to provide excellent service and executions to all its clients. The purpose is to deliver cutting-edge solutions that help business leverage the power of AI to drive growth and stay ahead in today's competitive market. The artificial intelligence business Metogence is an investment firm that offers consumers the opportunity to wisely invest their assets and increase their financial gains. We believe intelligent financial decisions are the need of the hour. We therefore wish to assist people in securing a future by assisting them in making wise choice with regard to their personal asset as well. So here we can check out that complete client satisfaction, all driven solution granted 100% customer satisfaction, quality assurance granted is offered with all asset, ensuring the result and incompatible to any other platform. We use the best technology, and dear fans, you can also get help on 24/7 a day as a customer support. The team of at Metogence work around the clock to assist you at all time, just so you do not feel lost as well. So here we can check out that why we choose this amazing project. Deposit what is that technology which displaces human jobs. Many industries are not particularly vulnerable to it. IT specialists, for example, will continue to circling in putting new technology and safety protocol into place that allow attention without a hitch. With the aid of AI, the world is changing quickly, and this trajectory is anticipated to lose into the future. So that way, we need to choose this amazing project that can ensure our hard money doesn't gain in vain. So individual AI solutions, and you can check out in-depth learning, and AI specialists create special solutions that are created to the unique requirement of client that make sure that client benefit the most from our services and accomplish their business goal. And AI solutions are based on cutting-edge deep learning algorithm, giving our client access to precise and eliminating fonts as well. So here we can check out the benefits to choose Metogence. The first one is increased efficiency, personalization, improved accuracy, predictive insight, cost saving, and innovative as well. So automatic legal language recognition and predictive modeling are also included the feature in this amazing project. So here we can also about learn what is artificial intelligence and how it works and how can it help to make a passive income as well. Some of the key areas where we see the feature of AI includes like that advanced robotic and automations, smart homes and cities, personalized medicine and healthcare, automobiles, vehicle and transportation, enhanced customer experience, use of chatbot and voice assistants. So dear friends, here we can check out the market tools of Metogence as well. So we can check all details. So dear friends, you can also follow there and join their social links to get latest news and updates, and here you can also find out the contact address as well. well. So let's check out how can we join this amazing project. So here we can also learn about this, and we can check out the packages as trading tools detail as well. So first of all, we need to get registered on this amazing platform. So simply click on the register now. So dear friends, this is the registration form. First of all, you need to enter your full name and sponsor code and left and email ID. Then you need to select your country you belong to, and then you simply when you select your country, the code will be here, and you need to enter your mobile number, then password, confirm password, and then you need to enter the captcha like this one here, and then you simply click submit now. It is very easy and easy way to create your account on it. I have already created my account, so I am going to log in. So dear friends, you can check that I have entered my ID, password, and now here we need to enter the captcha code like that 25361, and now simply click on the login. So dear friends, you can check that I have successfully logged in, and this is the first interface after login. So dear friends, here you can find out your personal detail, and you can also find out the referral link as well, and we can share with friends, and we can make a passive income as a referral as well. And dear friends, we can also check out our wallet detail as well. So here we can check out some packages like that bronze, silver, gold, and we can activate this investment platform. So here we can check out there are 4 types of wallet in METO: AI wallet, METO wallet, trading wallet, and profit wallet. And all your deposit crypto thought online will be updated here in AI wallet, and all rewards and promotional bonus transaction will be appear in this METO wallet. Daily ORI bonus on all your investment transactions will appear in this trading wallet, and your referral panel bonus transaction will be appear in profit wallet as well. So here we can check out the binary machine rewards as well, and you can check out all packages, and we can activate anyone, and we can start make passive income. So dear friends, let's check out. First of all, we need to deposit the amount. So how can we deposit? You simply choose the deposit section from main menu, and now simply click on the new deposit. So dear friends, for new deposit, first of all, we need to choose the amount which you want be deposit like that. I want to be enter 100, and now first we need to select the currency like that. I am going to choose my USDT. So dear friends, here we need to enter amount like that. I have entered my 100 USDT, and here we need to select the coins, and then now simply click on the pay now. So dear friends, here we can check out the amount, and here we can check out the address, and make sure to send enough to the cover any transaction fees only. Use regular send node by any special function or type context. And dear friends, you can copy this address, and you can send your payment from any cryptocurrency wallet, or you can scan this QRC code from your Binance Trust wallet or other any cryptocurrency wallet, and you can deposit your amount from here as well. So dear friends, you can check that I have applied for $100 deposit, and you can check that status is under processing, and it will be soon and I will get my balance in my wallet as well. So dear friends, here we can check out the trading boards, and you can also download your amount from withdraw your amount from here as well, and your total income will be shown here like that: port, referral income, machine income, and reward bonus as well. So let's check out how can we purchase boot. And dear friends, here first of all we need to select our wallet where we want to be deposit amount, and then we need to select our options like that self or ID, and then enter the members ID, and we need to select the packages like that. We can select as bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and platinum. We can choose any one package, and then we need simply enter our amount, and then simply confirm, and we can buy this one. And here we can also check out how the minimum price is and how can we deposit maximum. So in bronze you can check out the minimum amount is $25 and the maximum is 249. And dear friends, we can also check out the ROI is minimum 1.50, and here in platinum you can check we can get ROI 2.50 as well. So you can also check out the Monday to Friday like that, or you can check out how the day will get. You can also check out all our referral 10%, 7 to 10% referral commission and marketing as a 10% as well. And we can also check out the daily matching limit detail and total profits detail as well. So dear friends, you can choose any one package and you can activate here and you can start earning now. So dear friends, you can also share with your friend to get a referral commission as well. And dear friends, you can also boot and you can also check out the boot reports from here as well. So dear friends, you can also download its white paper and you can read all more about related to this amazing project, and you can also share your referral link with your friend and you can get a lot of referral commission as well. So I recommend it to all my friends. This is very amazing and very valuable project. Must be join this amazing project and make a passive income. Like this video, share this video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.